90% of the cells in your body are your microbiome. A healthy microbiome is made up of a wide variety of the right types of organisms in the right amounts, in the right places in our intestines, varying from the small intestinal regions through the large intestine and onto the colon, which has the greatest abundance of microflora. There really isn't much going on in your body and mind that isn't influenced by the composition of your microbiome. Your microbiome affects your immune balance in ways that are now believed to trigger all manner of immune system problems, including inflammation underpinning diabetes, heart disease, and dementia. Most autoimmune diseases, as an immune system gone wild, can contribute to those, and endometriosis, brain signaling that can cause PMS, anxiety, and depression. Healthy levels of an important beneficial organism called bifidobacterium are more associated with favorable lower cortisol levels, likely to contribute to less stress, anxiety, better resilience, less depression, and sleep. The gut-brain axis. It keeps getting more interesting. There's a powerful connection between what goes on in your intestines and your brain, called the gut-brain axis, a constant two-way street of communication between your gut and your brain. Your gut lining is home to a network of about 100 million neurons that are embedded in the lining of and communicating with neurons all over your body. Your gut is also producing about 35 different neurotransmitters, chemicals that communicate nervous system signals. 95% of your serotonin, a feel-good hormone, that's in fact why we give SSRIs for depression, is produced in the gut. The enteric nervous system, or second brain, channels about 95% of the information coming through your gut along one of your body's largest nerves, the vagus nerve, which then goes from your gut to the brain. It may be that many of the emotions you experience originate not in your brain, as it's been long assumed, but reflect the state of what's going on in your gut. The number of studies demonstrating the connection between what's going on in your gut, anxiety, depression, and cognitive function, as well as immune health and hormone health, is phenomenal, to say the least. For example, in one study that was pretty highly publicized at UCLA, researchers found that simply adding a cup of yogurt to the diet because of the organisms in yogurt twice daily for 4 weeks led to substantial reductions in anxiety in the group of women studied. The researchers concluded that the probiotic organisms in the yogurt favorably changed the intestinal microbiomes of the subjects that they studied, which changed their brain chemistry. Another study done in 2015 found that among 45 individuals given a prebiotic, there was a reduction in cortisol, stress, and anxiety, with a shift in thinking from negative to more positive thoughts. Both gut dysbiosis and leaky gut have been found to activate the stress response system, the adrenal HPA axis, resulting in chronically triggered stress, but also, get this, increased perceptions of abdominal and general pain. So your microbiome has this profound impact on nutrient absorption, detoxification, your moods, your appetite, your food cravings, your cognitive function, and when out of balance can lead to inflammation, obesity and diabetes, hormonal problems, anxiety, depression, and brain fog.